What is the difference between hot wallets and cold wallets? You should balance functionality and security when storing crypto. One of the best ways to ensure that your crypto is safe is to keep it as dry as possible. In order to store any amount of crypto that you purchase, you have to opt between holding your cryptocurrency in either a hot wallet or a cold wallet, or using a combination of the two. A hot wallet is connected to the internet, so it could be targeted by hackers and contains sensitive information, leading to money being stolen. But they are faster and facilitate crypto transactions because cold wallets do not have access to the internet. They are less convenient even though they are more secure. Which wallet type should you use? Hot one or a cold one? Or a combination? For more information, watch this video until the end. Hey guys, welcome to Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Before we start this video, we need you to know this video is not a financial advice and we are not financial advisors. So before you do something with your money, please do your own research before. And with that being said, on to the video. Let's start with the hot wallets first. Hot wallets are virtual currency wallets that allow cryptocurrency transactions between the owners of the wallet and the end user via the internet, using the private keys stored in the program connected to the internet. Different currencies, such as Bitcoin, can be stored and sent. It's a tool that makes it possible for cryptocurrency owners to receive and send tokens. As opposed to traditional currencies, there are no dedicated banks or physical wallets available for keeping cryptocurrency holdings safe. One of the most common forms of cryptocurrency wallets is a hot wallet. Any cryptocurrency wallet that has internet access is considered a hot wallet. A hot wallet is commonly easier to set up, accessible, and can accept more tokens. The downside to a hot wallet is that they are more susceptible to hackers, potential regulation, and other technical troubles. Hot wallets, the pros and the cons. Web wallets, mobile wallets, and desktop wallets are all considered hot wallets. In terms of security, web wallets are the least secure, but internet attacks vulnerability exists in all crypto hot wallets. One of the main benefits of a hot wallet is its ease of use. As they are always online, cryptocurrency transactions do not require transitioning between offline and online. As an example, many people are using mobile hot wallets to purchase or trade cryptocurrency. In contrast, a cold wallet wouldn't make this easy. A cold wallet must be plugged into a device, typically a computer, and the coins must be then transferred to a hot wallet before purchase. Users holding large amounts of cryptocurrency typically won't keep significant amounts of their coin in hot wallets. Although a hot wallet differs from a long wallet, in some ways, one similarity remains. In general, keeping too much cash on your person is a bad idea. In the same way we keep cash that can be withdrawn from an ATM, you can spend more crypto in your hot wallet when the balance drops. The majority of funds are stored in secure cold wallets in most well-known exchanges, and only a small percentage is held in hot wallets for withdrawals. If you're storing significantly large amounts of cryptocurrency online, remember to research the reputation of the exchange you choose. What is a cold wallet? According to the definition of a cold wallet, it's not connected to the internet, thus posing a much lower risk of being compromised. There are also offline wallets, also called hardware wallets. One of the most secure and convenient ways to store cryptocurrency offline is through a paper wallet. A cold storage wallet is one that is not connected to the internet and generally more secure. However, cold storage wallets do not accept as many cryptocurrencies as hot wallets do. A cold storage device as a Trezor or Ledger costs around $80, but hot wallet is free. Understanding cold storage. Whenever a traditional bank account is compromised, such as checking, savings, or credit card account, the bank is able to refund any lost or stolen money to the account holder. A breach of your cryptocurrency wallet or account, however, could result in your bitcoins being stolen, and you'd not be able to recover your coins. Hence, there's a need for a safe and secure medium of storage for Bitcoin and altcoins, because the majority of digital currencies are decentralized and do not have backing from the government or central bank. Deep cold storage. The concept of deep cold storage describes keeping bitcoins offline, thereby making it considerably more difficult to retrieve them from the storage than it would be to send them there. It may be necessary to make this change to ensure your safety, such as to prevent theft or robbery. Anyone who knows the wallet address can send funds to the wallet, so it's trivial to keep a copy of the addresses needed to send funds to the wallet even in cold storage. Cold wallets, the pros and cons. In general, cold storage wallets are quite secure. To steal from a cold wallet, one needs to have physical possession of the wallet or access to it, as well as whatever PIN or password is necessary for it to be accessed. It is common for hardware wallets to be cold wallets, and to live on devices that look like small or medium-sized USB sticks. Other examples of cold storage wallets are paper wallets, Bitcoin physical coins, or an offline computer. For storing cryptocurrency still, although these methods are still fairly secure, they've declined in popularity and been replaced by reputable, high-quality hardware wallets, or it is possible to use very secure options on reputable exchanges. It is impossible to steal funds from hardware wallets. They cannot be stolen even when plugged into your computer or connected via Bluetooth, depending on how the drive is stored. Although technically connected to the internet, transaction signing is done in-device and only subsequently transmitted to the network via your computer's internet connection. This signature gives the recipient of the cryptocurrency transaction ownership rights. Since your private keys will never leave the device, even if malware on your computer made an attempt to steal your funds by maliciously signing a transaction with your hardware wallet, the signature would not be the correct one and the transaction would not go through. Due to the fact that it must be connected to the internet, a hardware wallet is less convenient than a hot wallet. Additionally, while hot wallets are usually free, hardware wallets can cost you between $50 and $200. You may want to consider purchasing a hardware wallet before buying any more crypto. It's a small price to pay to protect yourself from losing any funds. Instead of choosing, why not get the best of both worlds? Using hot and cold wallets at the same time provides the greatest benefit because of the trade-offs of each type of crypto wallet. You can achieve the balance between convenience and peace of mind with a cold wallet while enjoying the security of a hot wallet. There are several versions of each: a mobile hot wallet, a hardware cold wallet, and a hot wallet for an exchange account. Various crypto wallets are designed for specific purposes, making it easy to trade and store cryptocurrencies while maintaining security. As another trend, you can use a second phone that only serves as a mobile crypto cold wallet. These cold wallets need only be turned on when you want to make a transaction. The second device, which serves as a cold wallet, is connected via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to your primary device, where funds are transferred to your hot wallet. Once the transaction has been completed, the secondary phone is powered down and the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is turned off. These are more convenient than a hardware wallet, while also providing a sense of security for those who wish to store their cryptocurrency in this manner. We would have more security than a hot wallet with a secondary cell phone, but less security than a hardware wallet with a second phone. Generally, this approach is used for storing intermediate amounts of cryptocurrency. So just find the combination that works for you. In storing cryptocurrency, just like any valuable asset, you'll have to decide how to keep it safe and strike the right balance between functionality and security. Recent years have seen a convergence of sorts. Hot wallets are becoming more secure and cold wallets are becoming more convenient. It is becoming more and more common for cryptocurrency owners to store funds in hardware cold wallets to maintain individual custody of their digital assets. It is important that users of crypto exchange wallets make sure they select exchanges that have a good reputation for security and follow their recommendations when it comes to security. If this video was helpful to you, then please like it and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't done so already, do you want to see more informational videos like this? Then please let us know in the comments down below. We will see you guys on the next video. Until then, thank you so much for watching.